Hey you, let's go on an adventure. I just stopped here because there's dolphins that are over there now. An adventure, you might say. And I'm going to a creek that I've never been before in a boat. Today is an adventure and completely new to me. I do not know what this creek is like other than Google Maps. So I only have a certain amount of time to fish in this location before I get stuck in there. Well, here we go. This is it. This place is actually gorgeous. It is so clear. Actually really deep. It's a really big brim just cruising there. Hey, they're two little mangrove jacks. It's too shallow at the moment. I'm gonna go fish at the front. There's gotta be some flatties hanging around this hole. Yeah, this place is sick. Definitely gonna be a flatty in that rough stuff. I'm calling it. Hey, hello. I'd given up all hope. And then something hit it. It is a flatty. It is a flatty. Not the biggest flatty. All right, this is interesting. I like this. It probably is actually legal, or no, it is probably still. And that was my rod snapping. I kind of knew that was going to happen because I stood on it. So, because my rod snapped, I'm going to keep this flathead. Luckily, I did bring this rod today. Normally, I wouldn't. Normally, I just bring the one rod and, yeah. Kind of lucky though, because I would be kind of mad if I got all this way and just like, you know, had this happen. Definitely not the rod's fault for breaking. It is definitely the fact that I accidentally stood on it. There is a lesson in all of this. You can't control what happens to you, but you can control your reaction to it, and you can control your attitude. One thing to be thankful for is I'm just thankful that I'm here. It's a beautiful spot. It's a beautiful day, because if you let these situations control you, your entire life will be miserable. And plus, if you can turn around after something bad has happened to you or something super frustrating, you can turn around in that situation and just say, you know what, situation, stuff you. I'm still going to be happy, and I'm still going to enjoy my day, and I'm still going to keep doing this. So that's the lesson for today. Yep. On. Hey, this is a different kind of flathead. This is a bar-tail flathead. The spots are actually a bit different. The head shape is a bit different. But yeah, you can see the stripes on the tail. These little suckers are probably the worst. They will spike you every time. It probably was legal, but anyway, I'll head back home, but I'll stop in some places. It was just such a beautiful day today. I couldn't help myself but come out again this afternoon. Hold on 2 second diddly-os. That's a freaking monster over there. Hold up. We're anchoring and I'm sending the drone that way. Maybe a shark or something. This is it here. Whatever that is whatever was over there. That is a massive wave. No way. No way. I've just spotted a flathead with the freaking drone. No way. Hold on, 2 seconds. We are going gangbusters. I am chucking the old whiting glide on. What a beast. Look at the size of that thing. Just got the drone following it. I'll head on down that way. Okay, it's just stopped. Very good. What on earth? So I think that original thing that was making a lot of noise in the water, look at it, it's just looking at all those mullet. It's burying itself. That's a very good sign. So the trick is I'm going to angle the camera all the way down so that I know that underneath the drone is where it's at. It's still there, it's just burying itself a little bit more. Very interesting behavior to see. This thing must be so big. It was right next to it. Not quite though. I need to cast upstream of it. Yep. This is going to be right over the top of it. Yep. Oh, damn. That was right next to it. No, you literally have to be on top of the head. Stuff it. Let's go have a look. Today, everybody, is a very, very special day, and you're probably wondering why. Well, today I'm gonna go meet the girl of my dreams. You're probably wondering, what's her name? Platycephalus fuscus. What a beautiful name. That's actually dusky flathead. Now you all are gonna ask me what lure I'm using. It is the MMD 180 Whiting Glide. This color is called Sand. Oh, hello. Found one. Found a flatty. That was not hard at all. I'm gonna land the drone and I'm gonna work my way down there. All right, it's time. There he is. Now, ideally, I want to actually get behind this flatty and cast up in front of it and bring it back over, because that's actually the direction that it's facing. Oh, look at that. It's got a stingray sneaking up behind him. Okay, let's do this. That was just within precaution. Yeah, a little bit out in front of it. That's got to be the shot. It just whizzes past the drone. It's going to line up this. Oh. Yep. 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 Got it. Got it. How cool is that? He hasn't really done much yet. Might be able to get a bit of a look here. Oh, I spat it. No. So I just watched the footage of the flathead taking the lure, and it definitely was not anything happening. Like when I hooked the flathead, it came up, it took the lure, and it just sat there, and I was just pulling it in. It's like, this thing isn't even fighting. So the hooks definitely just didn't get set properly. That would be because of my rod. It's a very light and very flimsy, very soft tip. So it just had no strength in it, and the flathead wasn't fighting back. So it's just like it lightly held onto it. The hook was there. It definitely got the hook in its mouth. I saw that, but it just didn't get set. So. We got one. I found one. Also found a mud crab too. Yeah, that's one way to find your muddies. Let's get down there and chuck a lure at the girl. Unfortunately, that flatty swam off. I just quite possibly saw the biggest flathead mark I've ever seen before. That is insane. Got the head here, the two fins. You got the tail. It's about there, roughly there. Holy crap, man. That's a big flatty. That is a massive mud crab. Holy guacamole. And it's a buck. Holy smokes. Look at the size of this thing. Damn it, Chad. If you didn't steal my net, I'd be able to net this thing like it was nothing. This is a monster mud crab. Look at the size of this thing. Dead set, man. This is a monster. Hey, why don't you bury yourself, buddy? This is a huge mud crab. This has got to be the biggest mud crab I have seen in a long time. Can we be friends? Hello. He's kind of like mounts towards me, tries to scare me. So I've blocked the direction he wants to head because it's deeper where he's trying to go. Yep, he's slowly backing down. His claws are going down. He's probably getting tired. They probably don't have much stamina in them. Oh yeah, he's burying himself. Yes. So I'm gonna back away because this is what I want. I want him to think that he's concealed. He's still trying to reach around and grab me. And look at that. That is a monster male crab. What the heck? Well, here's an iPad for it. Oh no, he almost got my, he almost got my iPad. There. Here's an iPad for size comparison. That's not bad, eh? What an adventure that was. Everything I learned in this video, I can take with me and help me to make the next video. I've already got all my equipment ready to go. Got a new rod and gear. Make sure you stick around, like and subscribe. There's definitely more on the way.